tayo. Anong masasagap natin for your love situation, mga earth signs? So, let's see. So, you have this, no? Mercury, no? For some of you, no? Ang nakikita ko rito, no? Tignan muna natin, no? Para malinaw. So, let's see. And Scorpio, no? So, for some of you, maybe you are dealing with a Scorpio din, no? Mga earth signs natin, right? No? Water signs, right? But then with the Scorpio, no, sabihin natin, kasi to si Scorpio sa tarot, sabihin natin, ano rin to, death card to, no? Merong new, sabihin natin for some of you, may mga nagtapos na relationship for some of you. And then, with the Mercury din, no, ang makikita natin ay pwedeng sabihin natin na no, mga goddesses ko. Of course, no, again, with the Scorpio, maybe for some of you, may ending na nangyari sa kanilang mga relationship with the Mercury. Kasi sabihin natin, ito yung trickster, no? Something like that, na magician, something na pwedeng sabihin natin nag-mind game sa inyo, isang player, something like that, inisahan kayo, niloko kayo, no? Maybe for some of you, you are dealing also with a Gemini or a Virgo, for some of you, mga earth signs natin, right? No, so so ayun yung nakikita ko dito, no? That's why may nagkaroon ng ending, no, for some of you, mga earth signs natin, no? So let's see, kuha pa tayo ng 2 cards for you, mga earth signs, regarding sa inyong love situation. Nakuha pa tayo ng 2 cards for you. 2 cards for earth signs, please. 2 cards for earth signs. Let's see. Ano pang meron sa mga earth signs natin, no? So, do not take it seriously. Do not take it personally, no? So tignan natin, no? Parang may bully pa rito, right? No, what else? Stand up for yourself, no? So, sinasabi talaga rito, no? Kumbaga, parang, for some of you naman, no, sabihin na natin na may nagawa lang ang mali itong person ninyo is, or kayo to, no, again, no, vice versa, pwedeng kayo yung may nagawang mali sa person ninyo, right, no, but then ang nakikita ko dito, no, kumbaga naggagawa pa siya ng dahilan, no, sinasabi niya na wag mong personalin,